Hey there, ever wondered what Python is? No, I'm not talking about the snake. I'm talking about the programming language that's taking the tech world by storm. Python is versatile and powerful programming language used in almost every industry, from building websites and automating tasks to analyzing data and even creating artificial intelligence. Python does it all. Python is not just for pros, it's beginner friendly. If you're new to coding, Python's simple syntax makes it easy to learn. Plus, the community is huge. Need help? There is a forum for that. Got a project in mind? There's probably a library to help you build it. So, whether you are a curious student, a budding developer, or a skilled engineer, Python is your ticket to creating amazing things. Ready to get started? Dive into Python today and unleash your coding potential.